The field that you see here on the left-hand side, the salt came on barges in the Alpine area in Europe, the Austrian Alps, the Bavarian Alps. To this very day, they still have salt.
Your speaker cut off.
It's cut off. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. There's something wrong here because the switch is on. But Karl-Heinz already taped it a bit, so I guess that's the problem. I'll try to make sure. Please tell me immediately when it's off again. So I was telling you about the road carrying the name Golden Trail. The road here, so historians tell us, during the course of 1 week about 1,000. So it really was a commercial stretch of road hill here on the right-hand side. So Golden Trail is the name of this road, and by the way, every 10 years takes place a so-called reenactment. The sumpters come along dressed in the costumes of the time. The horses have sacks on their backs. And of course, in the Middle Ages, the horses didn't go back empty. They took along whatever was growing here at the time, like spelt was a very popular grain already in the Middle Ages. Then there were furs, honey, and etc., etc. So the horses definitely didn't go back empty all the way into the Passau area. We left the bottleneck behind.
Den kennst du Baustellen.